Hi, I'm Rahul Akerkar, chef at Ode, and I'm going to do a dish today, very simple fish dish, inspired by my German grandmother. I'm going to start with a Pomfret fillet. This has been cleaned and skinned. Put a little salt and pepper. It's a very, very easy dish. Takes all of like a few minutes to make. Got some fresh lemon juice. And then we've got some sour cream, which I'm going to now spread on the fish. Going to put a little bit of smoked paprika. You can use Kashmiri chili powder if you want. Finally, I'm going to put a few dabs of butter. So what this does is when it goes in the oven or the broiler, it causes the butter to melt in places, and you get these little spots of caramelization on the fish. It's quite yummy. So the fish is going to go into a hot oven right now. Okay, this is pretty done. I'm just going to let it sit here warm, and while that's staying warm, I'm going to now make a tadka. Just going to take some oil. I'll get it hot, and to this I'm going to add a little bit of dal, a little bit of black mustard seed, curry patta, and we have Kashmiri chili here. I've got my tadka, and we're ready to plate the fish. It's a little bit of the sour cream and sauce. So we have your tadka with a little chili,